Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to increase the maximum shared memory segment. Now allocate 1536 huge pages. This improves memory managed efficiency for large scalable application. Run the next command to open the limit configuration file to increase the allowed number of ports, files, and processes for the sole user. Pass the following configuration. Update the package indexes to ensure we pull the latest software version with the next command. Now install the default Java development kit with the following command. Verify the installation by checking the current Java version. Install essential utilities like curl and other which are required by the Solr setup script with the next command. Download the Solr 9.7 archive from the official Apache mirrors. Rename the downloaded file to a clean tarball format. Extract only the installation script from the compressed archive. Run the services installer script to set up Solr as a background daemon. Check the status of the Solr services to confirm it is active and running. Finally, use the socket statistics command to verify that Solr is listening on its default port. That's it, now you have Solr installed on your server. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.